money controls the world. But the biggest wealth secrets stay hidden. Welcome to Bold Mysterious, where hidden financial truths become powerful wealth lessons. Since childhood, we have all heard the same advice. Save your money, don't spend too much, put some money aside every month. And this advice is not wrong, but here's the question. If saving alone made people rich, why aren't the biggest savers in the world the wealthiest people? The truth is, saving helps you survive. But investing gives you the opportunity to build real wealth. Imagine this. You save $200 every month. After 1 year, you have $2,400. After 10 years, you have $24,000. Sounds like a good amount, right? But there is a hidden problem. Inflation slowly reduces the power of your money. Something that costs $100 today may cost $150 or even $200 in the future. Your money number is increasing, but your money's real value is decreasing. Now imagine another situation. There are two people. The first person only saves money. The second person saves and invests. Both put away $200 every month. But the second person puts their money into assets, things that can grow over time, like businesses, stocks, and long-term investments. The difference? One person's money is sitting still. The other person's money is working. This is the difference between saving and building wealth. Saving means you are protecting your money. Investing means you are putting your money to work. Wealthy people don't just collect money, they collect assets. Their question is not, how much money can I save? Their question is, how can I make my money grow? They focus on expansion, not just preservation. But this does not mean saving is useless. Saving is the foundation of financial success. An emergency fund protects you when unexpected problems happen. Because without savings, you might be forced to sell your investments at the wrong time. A smart financial strategy is simple. Save first, invest next, and let time do the work. Patience is your greatest asset. The most powerful force in building wealth is not having a huge amount of money. It is consistency that truly matters. Small investments, repeated over many years, can become something much bigger. Many people think, I need to be rich before I can invest. But the reality is, people become wealthy because they build the habit first. Then their money starts working for them. It's about the systems you put in place. Start today, no matter how small. Saving can give you a strong beginning, but saving alone will not create financial freedom. You must learn one important lesson. Don't just store your money, grow your money. Because the future belongs to those who understand how money works. The secret is in the movement of capital. This is Bold Mysterious, where we uncover the hidden truths about money that most people ignore. Like this video, subscribe to Bold Mysterious, and turn on the notification bell, because your journey to smarter money decisions starts here.